The exact origins of apple pie are not definitively known, but it has been a popular dessert in various forms for centuries. One theory suggests that the concept of apple pie originated in England, where it was made with apples, spices, and pastry dating back to the Middle Ages. The first recorded recipe for apple pie dates back to the 14th century in England. Another theory suggests that the concept of apple pie was brought to America by early European settlers. Apple trees were cultivated in colonial America, and it is believed that settlers adapted their traditional apple pie recipes to include ingredients available in the New World. Regardless of its precise origins, apple pie has become deeply ingrained in American culture and is often associated with nostalgia, tradition, and comfort. It is frequently served on holidays and at family gatherings, symbolizing warmth and hospitality. Today, apple pie is enjoyed in many countries. Apple pie, when made with wholesome ingredients like fresh apples, whole wheat flour, and minimal added sugars, can offer some health benefits. Fiber. Apples are rich in dietary fiber, especially if you leave the skin on. Fiber aids in digestion, helps maintain bowel regularity, and can contribute to a feeling of fullness, which may help with weight management. Vitamins and minerals. Apples are a good source of vitamin C and K, as well as potassium. These nutrients are important for immune function, blood clotting, and heart health. Antioxidants. Both apples and cinnamon, a common ingredient in apple pie, contain antioxidants that can help reduce oxidative stress in the body, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Comfort. While not a direct physical health benefit, enjoying a slice of apple pie can provide comfort and satisfaction, which is important for mental well-being. Sharing a homemade pie with loved ones can also foster social connections and emotional support. However, it's important to note that traditional apple pie recipes often include added sugars, butter, and refined flour, which can detract from its healthfulness. Moderation is key, and opting for healthier versions of apple pie, such as those made with whole grain crusts and reduced sugar fillings, can maximize the health benefits while minimizing potential drawbacks. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the notification bell for my new video.